Eats a lot more than Liliana. Is she?
Nó ta tổ nó
I wish
ấy.
I could make Liliana eat more.
Liliana for
Yo,
sure.
she only loves cereal. No.
Liliana?
No. Oh my god, I'm getting
Nè, cho nó cao luôn liền.
Who's getting camp? You getting camp?
Thấy nó mà cao bộ lên nó
Nói thì cho lại
đã tội bộ có chưa
The oil.
quá nhiều lắm
có chẳng đấu cũng thầu
chỉ bông
They're gonna eat.
Yeah, yeah.
nè nó
cho lại
Yeah,
cho lại
nobody's trying to go live.
cá chập là ơi
nó nói thì cho lại
chỉ cho ai thay video nói nói cho bé trả trừ nó
he got the clout
thì
he got the clout
là một của nó
I got bitches
giờ chẳng cái nhu thì nói giờ cho bên cho thì nói giờ cho bên bên kèm nói giờ làm chê bé mà bé chủ nó chịu nếu lúc nào nó cũng cú này ngó nếu cho em bé kèm tôi ấy chỉ lấy món nữa so đó ơi
Not pepper.
cho nó bỏ cá cá chai à
nó chưa lâu tại
Daddy in the living room. Not in the room, in the living room.
Daddy over here.
Come on, eat. What? You want to eat? Yeah, you?
What? Really?
What are you waiting for, boo? What do you want? Oh, girl. Look at you, Daddy.
Huh? There's no.
I know, when Mason wants one thing, she wants one thing.
I know. Like when we make a whole ass course, and she's like, I want noodles. Like really, bro? Like choose noodle over all this.
Yeah, I yell at her. I'm like, no, we need this.
rồi giờ sao
Then she has no trust in me.
xà lá
It ain't even that bad.
Because I don't let her eat noodles because it's not as good as the food I actually eat.
Yeah.
Noodles, not that.
Noodles?
thế
Honestly, noodles isn't even healthy for you.
No, no. That's why I'm like, no, you're eating this. And she's like, I don't give her food.
She hates staying at your house.
I don't give her toys to what she